Very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various government competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be covering today will be Justice Delayed is Justice Denied, and this will be the 47th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in 4 subdivisions, that is introduction part, facts, causes for delay and the solution. While coming to the introduction, an independent, impartial, speedy and efficient judicial system is the very essence of civilization. The government's motto is Satyameva Jayate, and on the emblem of Supreme Court it is inscribed Yadvo Dharmatsave Jayab, that is, triumph is where dharma or the right order is. If we look at some facts, Article 21 of our Constitution, that is right to life and liberty, it also states that speedy trial means expeditious trial. It is an integral and essential part of the fundamental right to life and liberty. Article 39, Clause A, the state shall ensure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice. The Supreme Court case of A.R. Antulay versus R.S. Nayak of 1988, the Supreme Court's judgment guaranteed the right to speedy trial in all stages of judicial proceedings, including investigation, inquiry, trial, appeal, revision and retrial. As per the latest reports, around 20 million cases are pending. If we look at the causes for delay, following are the causes, that is lack of staff members, inadequate number of courts, dilatory tactics used by the litigants and their lawyers, poor judge population ratio, lack of proper infrastructure in courts, methods of police investigation, lack of use of modern technology in judicial proceedings. Now, if we look at the lack of staff members, as per the former Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi, there is a lack of around 18,000 staff members in the court. Moreover, there is an inadequate number of courts to hear the trials. Dilatory tactics which are being used by the litigants and their lawyers is also one of the major cause for the delay. For example, the Nirbhaya case, it took around 7 years to give the judgment. Now basically it was all because of the dilatory tactics. For example, mercy plea, review plea, and apart from that, one of them is a teenager, and there were so many other tactics which were being used by the lawyers so that the judgment can be reduced from the capital punishment. But finally they were hanged. Now poor judge population ratio is also one of the major reasons. Now as per research, it states that for around 10 lakh of people there are only 13.5 judges available in India. Lack of proper infrastructure in courts is also one of the major cause. Methods of police investigation which includes more time in documenting the proofs, collecting the proofs, investigating, and this is also one of the major cause. Lack of use of modern technology in judicial proceeding is also one of the reasons for the delay in giving judgments. If we come and have a look at the solutions, well, mobile court is also one of the solution. It can be applied for speedy trials. The staff members can be increased as mentioned by the Chief Justice of India. Moreover, judicial training can be imparted for special cases, for tackling special cases which require specialized knowledge, and there can be specific laws and punishment to minimize the dilatory tactics. Dilatory tactics, as I mentioned in Nirbhaya case, for example, one of the person accused was a teenager when he committed the rape, and he got the punishment of hang till death. So the lawyers used it as a dilatory tactics. Moreover, punishment for delay in filing documents. So filling documents, this is also one of the major solution for the same. If you look at the Lokayukt and Lokpal, well, the first Lokpal of India is Mr. P.C. Ghosh, and he would be looking after the corruption cases, and it will consist of members, 4 judicial members and 4 non-judicial members. Lokayukt will be at state level and Lokpal will be at national levels. Similar manner, we can use the Lok Adalats, which can be used for settling motor accident claims and revenue matters. So I hope this topic would have been useful. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.